Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am talking about area chart. Area chart commonly used for showing the changes in data composition over time. It is used for various purposes like sales by department, by month, production of crops by year, population by continent, by decade, or percentage of total download by browser by week. You can show different types time series data by beautiful area chart. But in case of default area chart is obstructed. See, after 2013, this portion is obstructed by this area. How can we prepare you this beautiful area chart, stack chart, 100% chart, and what is the difference between area chart and the column? You can learn in this tutorial. I have a data, this crop production in hectare. Here are some crops. Select your data, then go to this insert tab. In this insert tab, you can find this area and line features. Here the traditional 2D area features. Click it. Then you have to select this X series. Click here and right click here and here the select data. And now go to edit tab and you have to select your data range and here OK. Now select OK. Then now see what the problem. If you select it, that's when this is a jute and here this is a maize, but here this is a petty, but wheat and petty is obstructed by this area. So here you can do one thing, click here, then go to formats data series and go to this fill border and click the data, click solid fill, then select any color, transparency 50%, then it could be appear like this. Or you can select, now you can select this and go to again this tab, select solid and give another color, and then select transparency to at least 50%, then it will be appear like this. Now see it appears this is a this is jute, and here you can find wheat, this area for wheat, this area for maize, and this area for paddy, and this area for maize. In this way you can prepare the traditional area chart, but I am showing you a advanced area chart. You can add chart title, you can add axis name, anything. Okay, no need to chart. I am prefer to always give the caption of the chart, but you can add primary and horizontal axis by clicking this. Okay, now copy it, paste here. I want to change, select here and change chart type and go here the first option, traditional area chart, here the stack area chart. Click here and okay. Now see this area chart could not obstructed by any time series data. All the data are available. This is here the crop name, paddy, maize, wheat, jute, everything are here. Okay, you can delete by crop name by here. Also you can delete this. Right click here and select data. Then you have to unselect it and okay. Now see blank portion disappeared. You can do same thing. Right click here, select data and unselect it and okay. Then another option, you can add anything from here by clicking here axis title. You can add your axis title by clicking from primary vertical axis. Here you can add production in hectares, production in hectares, or you can add also by clicking here add chart 11 in this tab. Axis title, I want to add primary horizontal axis. Now see here the primary horizontal axis here. So now I am to show another type of area chart. Copy again, paste here, right click anywhere. Here the change chart type, click here. Then this is a 100% stack area, click here and okay. Now see this is a 100% stack. You can change this axis, right click again, format axis. Here the measure line 1, you can change it measure line 2. Okay, then it will be like this. Then what is the difference between area chart 100% stack column of area chart and 100% stack column of column chart? Again, copy it, paste here, and right click here, and here the change chart type. You can find it also in the design tab, change chart type, and here you can select any one column. Here the 100% stack column, select it, and okay. Now see, this is the same, proportionally this is the same. Only difference is that the gap between these two column. Go to here, if we remove the gap, then this will be the same, uh, 100% stack area chart and 100% stack column chart. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will upload videos every day. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.